Good morning, students. Nishan here, sir. Hoping all fine. Welcome back to computer class. Today we'll start with a new chapter. The chapter that is impact of computers on society. That is chapter 11, page 159. The question that we learn today, that is, what is the main element of computer chip and its impact? Explain automation of computer system. Explain the impact of computer system in communication. Explain the impact of computer system in education. So take your textbook and go to page number 159. That is chapter 11. So here we are, the chapter 11, impact of computers on society. The objective of the lesson, at the end of the this lesson, students should be able to state some ways in which computers have benefited us, state some ways in which computers have harmed us, make intelligent choices on how to correctly use computers and the internet to gain from its advantages and minimize its dangers and risk. So we start with the chapter. As a child, you must have made castles of sand sometimes or the other. Remember how it could be destroyed or washed away easily. In that sand were tiny particles which simmered in the sun. These tiny particles were fascinating then and are much more fascinating now. The very small same particles today control the entire world. That the element silicon in the very sand you had played with could revolutionize the world was unthinkable some years ago. Yes, silicon has changed the world. Computer chips are made from silicon. Its impact on society can be felt as well as seen. The impact is deep, in irreversible, and continuing. So there is a question: what is a computer chip is made of? So computer chips are made from silicon, and its impact on society can be felt as well as seen. The impact is deep, irreversible, and continuing. You write one line from here as the impact and some from I will explain you later on from the next para. Where will this take us? I don't think there is any straight answer to this question, but we could begin by examining the impact it has already had on our lives. So for the question, you just write for the definition up to here, and for the impact you write one line from here and other lines from this para. Electronic circuits based on silicon chips had their beginning around the 1970s. Write this line. The changes in these last 45 years or so have been phenomenal. The impact of computers was felt very slowly in the 70s and 80s. This was a time when people started to analyze and understand the application of computers in all fields. However, the 90s saw an exponential change. So, for the impact, you can write a few lines from here. So, this page is done. We go to next page now. The impact of the changes on society, primarily of automation, brought about by uh, brought about by computers, are both positive and negative. We will examine these in this chapter and also look at some ethical and social issues that have become important in the automated world. So now we go for the next question. Explain automation. So here we are. The biggest impact has been on the way of getting work done. Computerization has resulted in streamlining of procedures, increased productivity due to streamlining of work has led to improved standards of living. Computers have taken over a lot of boring, repetitive, and time consuming and dangerous jobs. Some of these applications are as follows. So, for the automation, you write some points from here. So I will explain you or short the points. uh, Start from here. Robots are now being used to do tedious and dangerous tasks in the manufacturing industry like welding or cutting and picking and placing of components and precise location. Just write up to location for this point, and other points are just explaining you. Robots are also now working alongside human in various industries. For example, robots in hospitals help doctors perform long surgeries and also deliver medicines and supplies to various locations in the hospital. Robots are also doing tasks like floor cleaning and grass mowing. So, this point is done. Simple application like word processing, spreadsheets, and databases have made it possible for more work to get done in less time. You just write the whole point for this one. Printing of list and calculation of bills in departmental stores are some tasks being done very efficiently by computers. You can write up to this makes inventory management tasks simpler for stores and reduces the wait time for customers. You just write the first line for this point. Data is being stored in a far more organized manner. The direct impact of this can be felt in the process of information retrieval. Queries can now get answered in minutes. Just write first two lines for this point. People are able to spend more time in planning and control rather than in searching for information. This has brought about improved services which have resulted in reducing the wait at railway reservation centers, airline ticketing counters, libraries, government offices, etc. Write the first line for this point also. The entire banking operation has become much more efficient. Money transfers are done in minutes. Uh, you can done up, right up to this. All branches of bank are connected, and internet banking is becoming common for payment of bills. Uh, Through computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, the quality of products have increased significantly. The automobile, right up to significantly, the automobile and aircraft industry have been maximum benefits in this respect. So we are done with this page, and the answer, you got the answer. You write as I've told you from this page. Now communication is another question. We have to explain communication. So I'm shorting the point for you. Communication, the whole concept of communication has changed since computers have penetrated this field. The internet has given a great amount of flexibility in the office work environment. Okay, now the points are here. People can access information, communicate with others from their homes. A new type of work style has thus resulted from these. You write up to this. As a result, you just write the first line for this para. As a result, many companies have started giving flexible timings to its employees and even freedom to work from home. Next point, electronic messaging and video conference make it possible for people separated by large distances to communicate with each other. Write the whole para for the whole point for this. Computerized system like voice recognition, robotic vehicles, and other devices help people who are physically challenged or challenged in other ways to work efficiently. Write the whole point from here. Computers have made it possible for companies to work round the clock even while each employee works only during the day, the regular office hours. Write the first line. This is done through utilizing the time differences between two countries cleverly. Um, no need to explain the whole para. Just write the first line for this. Now I'm reading for you. For example, there is a time difference of nearly 12 hours between India and USA. Hence, when it is night in the USA, that it is day in India and vice versa. Consider a possible scenario. A doctor in the USA examines his or her patients during the day and records the diagnosis on his on her tape recorder. These are then sent to India through voicemail at the end of the working day, say at 7:30 in the evening. The voicemail is reserved in India at about 8 in the morning when the working day is just beginning. An operator in India types the diagnosis in the evening. These are sent via email back to the United States. The doctor thus gets typed matter as he or she comes back to work the next morning after a good night's sleep. The doctor thus has the facility of a secretary in faraway countries like India who works when he or she sleeps. So I hope you understand the point. And next point, for the common person, electronic communication has opened up a wide range of possibilities. Till a few years back, communication with relatives in other countries or cities or countries was only through letters, which took a long time to reach, although very expensive telephones. But now communication can be only on a daily basis thanks to cheaper and faster options, the electronic mail, video conferencing, and very efficient telephone system. You can write from here. Now communication can be on a daily basis thanks to cheaper and faster options, the electronic mail, video conference, and very efficient telephone system. um, we're done with this page. Next page 162. And there's another question in education. So here we are. Computers and other devices like smart boards and e-books have made a great impact in the field of education. Are you using computers in learning subjects like science, mathematics, and social studies? Uh, Now the points are given. I'll make it short. Computers are being used to teach difficult concepts through simulated models. It helps students to get right the first line only. It helps students to get experience which were otherwise not possible or too expensive or risky. Internet is being used extensively by students to do research work right up to this, where they would have to spend days in looking up encyclopedias. Now the work gets done by just sitting on a computer terminal. In lab work, scientific instruments are connected to the computer to help get accurate readings. You can write this point the whole. Teachers are using emails to communicate with students and parents. Uh, uh, right up to parents. Grade posting software is used to keep students' performance information and make them easily available. Online videos are used to support classroom that we are doing now for teaching you. Videos make lessons interesting for students. Write the whole point. Teachers from different schools can collaborate and share teaching resources. Write the whole para for this. Ebooks with multimedia capabilities have made textbook much more interesting and fun. Thus, technology integration into education has enriched the whole learning process for children today. Learning is made more enjoyable and exciting through the use of animation, videos, and sound. So, students, I think I hope you understand the whole class of today, and write all the answers in your classwork copy and show me when you meet me. Uh, Thank you very much. Goodbye.